Hey everyone, it's Mr. Pierce and I'm back again for our third rotation. For this time with our design challenges, we have two options. A marble run wall, where you find a blank wall, create a track for our marble or some small round object, like a ping pong ball even, to be able to travel down the wall in a path that you engineered. Check out this example I made. Okay everybody, this rotation we made Rube Goldberg machines on our walls. Check out the one that I made. Next is a Rube Goldberg machine. So who is Rube Goldberg? Well, he's actually this award-winning cartoonist. Actually, he's really an author, an inventor. He's a great example of adding the arts into STEM. See, he started out as an engineer, but later became a cartoonist who drew these elaborate drawings of these contraptions made up by pulleys, cups, birds, fans, balloons, all types of stuff. And it was designed to do a simple task like throwing something away or feeding the dog, okay? Interestingly enough though, the crazy thing about his work is that he drew these pictures for all these things, but he never actually built a single one of his inventions. Check out the Round family's Rube Goldberg machine that won the Worldwide 2020 challenge for dispensing soap just to wash your hands. Wow, wasn't that amazing? It took 3 weeks and 50 attempts to get it right, but they never ever gave up. You're going to learn lots of things this round, but the most important thing is that when you don't succeed at something, that you continue to try. You learn why maybe your machine didn't work or your marble run wall didn't work, and then fix it. I can't wait to see what you all create.